Over time, the carpeting in your car collects dirt and dust and will likely suffer from unsightly stains. Having a car carpet cleaner on hand and using it regularly ensures your car's interior stays clean and in good condition for years to come. There are many products available to choose the best car carpet cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Adams Polishes Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Adams Polishes Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is our choice for best overall, thanks to its performance on both mud and wine stains. It worked quite well on mud, removing most of the stain in just 30 seconds. Against the wine, the Adams cleaner interestingly didn't produce that strange blue-colored reaction like many of the other cleaners. It wasn't horribly messy to use and dried quite quickly. Our team agreed that the fruity scent was pleasant and far better than some of the other cleaners' smells. However, we know this is subjective, some folks might not want their interior smelling fruity. Number 2. Meguiars Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Meguiars Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner comes with a scrubbing brush attachment to get deeper into the fibers of your car's carpet. This was noticeably effective against the mud stain, as it seemed to clean that slightly better than the Adams Polishes cleaner. The scrubber brush is handy when detached, but it rotates when on the bottle, which kept it from really digging into and scrubbing the carpet. The bottle releases a nice spray pattern, which foams quickly on the carpet. It did get sudsy but dried quickly compared to the other foaming cleaners. Number 3. Turtle Wax Power Out Carpet and Mats Cleaner. The Power Out Carpet and Mats Cleaner by Turtle Wax is a stain-removing foam that sprays directly on car carpeting for best results. This 18-ounce can of cleaner comes with an attached micro-scrub brush to quickly scrub away dirt. This cleaner's formula contains oxy-brighteners that refresh the carpet with a professional finish. It also has Turtle Wax's patented Odor X ingredient that eliminates tough odors caused by smoke, pets, mildew, and food. After this carpet and mat cleaner goes on the surface, a soil-repelling silicone shield protects carpets from future stains. For best results, vacuum carpets and mats before applying this cleaner. Number 4. Chemical Guys CWS 20316 Clean Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. For a hyper-concentrated car carpet and upholstery cleaner, consider the Chemical Guys Upholstery Shampoo. This quality pick tackles grime on carpets, seats, and floor mats. The professional-grade formula contains no detergents and has a low moisture content for a quick drying feel after each use. This Chemical Guys carpet shampoo also removes odors with patented enzymes that target odor-causing microbes, and it leaves behind a pleasant citrus scent. Dilute the concentrated cleaner with water in a separate spray bottle and mist surfaces with a light coat before scrubbing with a brush or microfiber cloth. Number 5. Febreze Heavy Traffic Carpet Foam. The powers of Febreze and Gain work together in this heavy traffic foam carpet cleaner to root out odors trapped in carpet fibers and leave behind a pleasant scent. It uses anionic and non-ionic surfactants strong enough to tackle odors caused by pets, tobacco, food, and more. This foam also helps remove dirt and protects car carpets from future stains with a formula that dries quickly and does not leave a sticky residue behind. To use, spray the entire car carpet or affected area, scrub with a cloth or soft brush, and vacuum. This carpet cleaner comes in a 4-pack of 22-ounce cans. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.